top of the belts to feed options. Number 1 is forward. Feed the strip a little bit. Now we see what comes out the bottom. We can stop. Get the first packet cutting. We'll cut, drop, and index the bottle. And put it on fully automatic. When there's a backup. Right now the backup is preventing operation and the display reflects that. Adjust your air pressure to 50 to 80 psi. Press start. The display will light up. After 4 seconds, the machine is ready to operate. The display will say model PS-1 pack starter. Press menu. The supply roll is in the back. It feeds through the in-feed rollers, roller guides, up here. This is the upper guide block with a supply strip sensor that detects the presence of the supply strip. The stack light, which is removable. Guard door. When the guard door is open, you get a red light and no operations can take place. This is the belt drive. This is the lower guide block, which contains the packet mark sensor. This detects the presence of the packet in relation to the cutoff knife, which is here. The cutoff knife is right down here. This is the exit guide block and the exit tube. The exit tube has the cut packet sensor. Here's our control panel, emergency stop button, start button, main disconnect. Here we have the start sensor that detects the presence of a bottle and causes the machine to begin a cycle. Another sensor is back here. It's the backup sensor that detects a backup of bottles from the next machine down line, and if it backs up close to this machine, it will stop the operation of this machine until that backup clears. And we have our indexing air cylinders. The indexing air cylinders are used to move the bottles automatically down the conveyor as they're filled. The machine comes with 2 air cylinders and both backup sensors. Everything you see here, except the conveyor, is standard equipment. On top here we have the optional enclosure. Standard machine does not come with this enclosure. This enclosure is intended to prevent dust and contamination from getting on the supply roll, but it is not hermetically sealed and does not control humidity to the supply roll.
Good.
Machine height is adjustable with a manual hand crank.
Good.
Machine height is adjustable. Go up easy, go down. They come within 1/4 inch to 1/8 of an inch of the bottle, depending on how close the tube size is to the neck of the bottle. Air pressure, once it's attached to the machine and to the filter, is controlled from the front of the machine with this regulator and gauge. Basically, counterclockwise will remove the pressure, clockwise increases the pressure. Normally we start at 50, can go as high as 80 if need be. Pressing that knob in prevents it from being adjusted further. Cooling fan. This is the air.